Can I get AAA insurance without a license? Yes, you can get AAA insurance without a driver's license, but your eligibility and policy options will depend on several factors. AAA, like most insurers, typically requires a valid driver's license to issue an auto insurance policy, but there are exceptions for specific situations when you can get AAA insurance without a license. 1. Insuring a vehicle for another driver. If you own a car but do not drive, you can still get AAA insurance by listing another licensed driver as the primary driver on your policy. This is common for people with medical conditions, elderly individuals, or those who own a vehicle for a family member. Second, excluded driver option. Some states allow you to purchase auto insurance while being excluded from coverage as a driver. This means you will not be covered to drive the vehicle, but other listed drivers will be insured. 3. Permit holders and new drivers. If you have a learner's permit but not a full driver's license, AAA may still offer coverage. This is useful for young drivers who need insurance before taking their driving test. Fourth, license suspension or revocation. If your license is suspended or revoked, you may still be able to get AAA insurance, but coverage will depend on your state's requirements. You may need an SR-22 or FR-44 filing to prove financial responsibility before reinstating your driving privileges. How to get AAA insurance without a license. Step 1. Contact an AAA agent. Since policies vary by state and situation, speak with an AAA representative to discuss your options. Step 2. Provide vehicle ownership details. If you own a vehicle but do not drive, AAA will need information on who will be the primary driver. Step 3. Determine eligibility for an excluded driver policy. If your state allows excluded driver policies, AAA may issue a policy where you own the vehicle but are not listed as a driver. Step 4. Check for permit or suspended license coverage. If you have a learner's permit or a suspended license, ask if AAA can provide a policy under those conditions. Step 5. Finalize your policy. Once you've found an option that fits your situation, complete the purchase and receive proof of insurance. While AAA generally requires a valid license, there are ways to obtain coverage if you don't drive but need to insure a vehicle. Working with a AAA agent will help you determine the best policy based on your circumstances. To see the best offers on insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.